Hi foodies, welcome to Millet Magic's episode number 5. Today we are making something crispy, healthy and delicious. Yes, a super crispy ragi dosa. To start, let's take 1.5 cups of whole ragi, half cup of split black gram. You can replace it with white urad dal or whole black gram too. And let's add 1.5 teaspoon of fenugreek seed. Ragi is rich in calcium and fiber and great for bone health and digestion. Split black gram provides protein and helps a batter ferment, while fenugreek seeds are known for their ability to aid digestion and add a subtle bitterness that enhances the dosa's flavor. Wash all these ingredients thoroughly and let's soak them in water for at least 5 hours. Soaking millets is important as it helps break down the phytic acid, making the nutrients more bioavailable and the grain is easier to digest. Just 10 minutes before the soaking time is up, take 1/3 cup of red poha, also known as flattened rice. Red poha is packed with fiber and iron, making it nutritious addition to our dosa. Wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for just 10 minutes. Now let's blend everything together. You can use a grinder or a mixer. I am using my Panasonic Mixer, which blends it all into a smooth batter in just 2 shifts. See how beautifully the batter is blended. That's it. Let's add adequate salt and mix it really well. Let the batter ferment overnight or for at least 8 hours. After fermentation, the batter will have risen beautifully, perfect for making our dosa. Heat a tawa. Once the tawa is hot, pour a ladle of batter onto it. Spread the batter evenly into a circle and drizzle some oil around the edges. Once the dosa is nicely roasted underneath, flip it and cook for a few more seconds. And there you have it. Super crispy ragi dosa is ready to serve. Pair it with some spicy chutney or sambar for that extra punch. Thank you for joining me on Millet Magic. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy and tasty millet recipes. See you next episode. Bye.